In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automatic receipts in Stripe. Let's start by opening the Stripe customer email settings. I'll assume you are already signed in and looking at your Stripe dashboard since that's where this process begins. To get to the right settings page, open a new tab in your browser and go to dashboard.stripe.com/settings/emails. This is the direct link to the customer emails area, so you won't have to click through multiple menus to find it. Once the page loads, take a quick moment to confirm that the page title at the top says Customer Emails. This is just to make sure you are on the correct screen before changing any options. Now we are going to enable receipts for successful payments. On the Customer Emails page, scroll down until you find the Payments section. This is the area where Stripe groups all the email options related to payment activity. Inside the Payments section, look for the toggle labeled Successful Payments and switch it on. After flipping it, take a quick look to confirm that Successful Payments now shows as enabled. This means Stripe will start emailing a receipt to your customer every time a payment goes through. Next, we are going to enable receipts for refunds as well. Stay right where you are in the same Payments section. You don't need to navigate anywhere else for this part. Find the toggle labeled Refunds and turn it on. Then confirm that Refunds now shows as enabled, just like you did for the Successful Payments toggle. This ensures that whenever you issue a refund, your customer also gets an automatic email letting them know. Before you leave the page, take one final look at the Payments section and confirm that both Successful Payments and Refunds are enabled. Both toggles should clearly show as turned on. This is the small check that makes sure nothing gets missed. And with that, Stripe is now set up to automatically send your customers a receipt by email after successful payments and after any refund activity. Keep in mind that failed or declined payments will not trigger a successful payment receipt, so those customers will not receive an email from this setting. Congratulations! You have successfully configured automatic receipt emails in Stripe, and your future payments and refunds will now be handled without any manual follow-up on your part.